In today's video, I will gonna guide you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. The first and the make sure step is you need to update your Snapchat application. If you haven't updated in a while, make sure to update and then log into your account. Next step is you need to adjust the date and time settings. So simply open up settings and then you're gonna need to go for the general and simply go for date and time and make sure that the date and time is selected correctly. Then you need to use a different device. You can try logging from a different device. Avoid connecting your SIM card or Apple ID to the new device that you are logged in. At the end, if everything else fails, you need to contact Snapchat customer support. Reach out to the Snapchat support for assistance. They might be able to help unlock your account. At the end, you need to wait for the ban to lift automatically. If you are not a frequent Snapchat user, consider waiting for the ban to expire. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix Snapchat device ban.